Delaware Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 6.
Question 1. If you are convicted of riding under the influence of alcohol or drugs, you will be fined and ordered
2-year imprisonment. The mandatory license suspension. The mandatory public service. The mandatory training.
Answer.
The mandatory license suspension.
Question 2. When looking where you are planning to go, move
Your head and eyes. Your eyes only. Your upper body. Your head and shoulders.
Answer.
Your head and eyes.
Question 3. You are turning onto a road with one lane of traffic moving in each direction. Taking a right turn too fast could cause you to
hit the vehicle in front of you. Run off the right edge of the road. Tip your motorcycle over. Veer into an oncoming traffic lane.
Answer.
Veer into an oncoming traffic lane.
Question 4. Tinted eye protection
Is mandatory during the day. Should be worn at all times. Is mandatory for drivers only. Should not be worn at night.
Answer.
Should not be worn at night.
Question 5. When slowing down where others may not expect it, you should
beep your horn. Change lanes before slowing down. Flash your brake light. Shoulder check your blind spot.
Answer.
Flash your brake light.
Question 6. Rolling under throttle in a turn
Is done while changing gears. Is used to pass other vehicles. Helps to stabilize the motorcycle. Should only be done in emergencies.
Answer.
Helps to stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 7. While driving in the city and looking ahead for hazards, you should be checking at least ahead
2 blocks. 1/2 block. 3 blocks. 1 block.
Answer.
1/2 block.
Question 8. Helps you absorb shock when riding over obstacles.
Rolling on the throttle. Rising slightly off the seat. Using a higher gear. Pulling in the clutch.
Answer.
Rising slightly off the seat.
Question 9. What is a hazard that you must watch for when being passed by another vehicle?
Extended side mirrors. Objects being thrown from windows. Wind blasts from larger vehicles. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 10. When approaching an intersection, the best way to reduce your reaction time is to
cover the clutch and the brake. Keep the clutch pulled in when not accelerating. Avoid using the highest gear. Avoid wearing a full face helmet.
Answer.
Cover the clutch and the brake.
Question 11. When preparing to pass a vehicle, your motorcycle should be positioned in of the lane.
The center portion. The left portion. The right portion. Any portion.
Answer.
The left portion.
Question 12. Which of the following is true about drinking alcohol and riding a motorcycle?
Alcohol affects drivers of cars more than motorcycles. Alcohol impairs a motorcycle rider's skills sooner. Alcohol does not affect motorcycle riders. Motorcycle riders are not permitted to drink any alcohol.
Answer.
Alcohol impairs a motorcycle rider's skills sooner.
Question 13. The safest way to use saddlebags is to
make sure all saddlebags are full. Distribute the weight evenly between them. Not carry a passenger at the same time. Only use one saddlebag at a time.
Answer.
Distribute the weight evenly between them.
Question 14. You should avoid attaching cargo to a motorcycle with
elastic cords, ropes, saddlebags, tank bags.
Answer.
Ropes.
Question 15. It is important to check your mirrors when
stopped at an intersection. You are about to slow down. You are about to change lanes. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 16. Which of the following is true about starting while on an upward hill?
Use the foot brake to hold you until the engine takes hold. Never try to start on an upward hill. Position yourself at a 90-degree angle against the curb. Start in second gear.
Answer.
Use the foot brake to hold you until the engine takes hold.
Question 17. You are in danger of hitting an object and need to swerve to avoid it. What is the best way to initiate the swerve?
Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the side you need to swerve. Lean sharply in the direction you need to swerve. Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the opposite side you need to swerve. Lean sharply in the opposite direction from which you need to swerve.
Answer.
Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the side you need to swerve.
Question 18. What do gravel, lane markings, and road edges have in common?
They provide poor traction for motorcycles. They are present on all roads. They are areas where motorcycles cannot ride. They are the safest places to ride.
Answer.
They provide poor traction for motorcycles.
Question 19. Keeping your knees against the gas tank
helps you keep your balance. Should never be done. Should only be done to help steady cargo. Helps turn the motorcycle.
Answer.
helps you keep your balance.
Question 20. One of the biggest dangers for motorcycles is
motorcycle chain problems, bicycles on the side of the road, oncoming traffic turning left in front of you, overpasses and tunnels.
Answer.
Oncoming traffic turning left in front of you.
Question 21. When making a normal turn, should the motorcycle rider lean?
Yes, the rider should lean in the opposite direction. No, the rider should not lean. Yes, the rider should lean forward. Yes, the rider should lean with the motorcycle.
Answer.
Yes, the rider should lean with the motorcycle.
Question 22. You are being closely followed and as you approach an intersection, the light turns yellow. What should you do?
Tap your brake to flash your brake light. Move into another lane. Accelerate to make it through the light. Beep your horn to warn the driver.
Answer.
Tap your brake to flash your brake light.
Question 23. When starting a motorcycle facing uphill, you should change to hold the cycle while operating the throttle with the right hand.
The hand brake. Both brakes. Either hand brake or foot brake. The foot brake.
Answer.
The foot brake.
Question 24. What is the best path through a curve?
The center of the road. It is different for each curve. Close to the edge of the road. Close to the center line.
Answer.
It is different for each curve.
Question 25. Motorcycles must be cautious when approaching an intersection because they are smaller and therefore
appear further away. Drive much slower than cars. Appear closer than they are. Are much faster than cars.
Answer.
Appear further away. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.